One thing that Uganda is known for is its incredible food. Today, I decided to dive into the heart of Ugandan cuisine. I started by sampling some street food.
I'm gonna try. How much? Bro, how much?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chicken here, 1K.
1K.
1K, yeah.
And then how much?
Liver here, 2K, here, 1K.
So guys, I'm gonna try some Ugandan street food. This is 1K. I will take this one. So what's yours? What's yours?
Yes, my name. You buy for me chicken for 5,000.
I have 1,000. I wanna taste. So give me something. I wanna taste. Only tasting. So let's try Ugandan street food, guys. I wanna taste only tasting. Oh yeah. Okay. Guys, so yummy. One more. No, I know. Guys, check it. So good. What's your name? What's your name?
Billy man.
Billy man.
Gaza.
Okay. So yummy, guys. So yummy. No. Again. Let me check it. Ghana is so friendly. So nice. I'll come back next time. I'll buy chickens. This. What? Okay. They're doing business, guys.
After trying some Ugandan street food, along with my Ugandan friends, we headed to Owino market for a $1 lunch. This bustling market, officially known as St. Barikudembe market, has been a city's go-to spot for fresh produce, local goods and traditional foods since 1970s. With over 2,000 local restaurants, it is the ultimate destination for authentic Ugandan dishes. Join me as I experience Ugandan dishes for the first time. And remember to like the video. Drop a comment down there, guys. Have you ever tried Ugandan food?
And the seller, the business owner here in Owino market. What's your name? Florence.
Yeah.
Florence, how's the business going?
Fair.
Make much money?
No, not much, but a little.
Okay. So do people like your dishes, your food?
My food is fine. It is delicious.
Yes.
As we will see.
You're gonna taste it and find it out.
You will enjoy.
She's actually promising us that we are going to enjoy, so
Yeah.
let's hope so. So how many clients do you serve per day, approximately?
100 and above.
100 clients?
Yeah.
So you're making millions. Give me 5. I like that. She's making millions.
Not making millions because things are very expensive nowadays. But a little one.
Yeah, a little one. I like it. I actually like the way Ugandans are so courageous. They're so courageous. They work hard.
We must for a living.
Yeah, for the living, but not in the same as. Yeah. Oh, she's very beautiful. And Ugandans, you're beautiful. Everybody knows that. So people in the comment section tell me, tell her that she's beautiful down there in the comment section.
You comment. But I will not see the comments.
Why?
Because I'm not in.
Don't use social media.
Social media. I don't.
Okay.
I use only WhatsApp.
Only WhatsApp. I will send you the comments. I will give you your phone number.
I'll give you my number. Then you
send you the comments.
Yeah.
What are we going to have now?
I don't know what to offer, but just know the prices are fair. It's 5,000
okay.
per dollar.
That's my friend here in Kampala.
8,000. That's like 1 plate. $8.
Yes.
But there's variety: fish, beef, and you know the Ugandan style. You buy sauce. You
Okay.
don't buy fish.
Okay.
So if you buy fish, it comes with rice. It comes with matoke.
Okay.
Every other sauce that is available.
So you have tasted our food before?
No, I'm also going to try it for the first time.
Okay. Oh, Harriet, what are we going to have today?
So we are going to have a $1 meal here at Soweto. The place is called Soweto.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're gonna experience the Ugandan local food. In this place, they sell only Ugandan local food. So
Only
if you want to
Ugandan.
experience Ugandan local food, if you're a tourist or anybody coming to Uganda, this is the best place for you to experience Ugandan local food and immerse yourself in Ugandan culture.
Yes.
Yeah.
And by the way, this place has over 1,000, 2,000 restaurants. So everywhere you're seeing that people eating from another store.
Oh my God.
So you may think all those people are eating from a store, but no. As you can see, this is another person. Those are other people's
Guys,
store.
there are a bunch of restaurants here in Owino
So
Market.
wherever you see these streets, there are restaurants.
Okay. So we'll be sitting there, and this is another restaurant. That's another one. There are many restaurants.
You can as well feel free, go and ask her your order when you see what she's serving you.
Okay,
That would be
okay.
very much.
I think you are going to choose for me because I don't know what's where.
You're going to eat matoke,
Okay.
rice, sweet potatoes, pumpkin.
Florence is going to show us what she's serving today. Florence, what are you going to serve today? Let's start from there. You can just come and stand here, yeah. So, what is that?
Beans.
The beans? And then, yes, continue with others.
This one fish,
Fish,
which is not boiled.
which is not boiled,
Fried fish,
fried fish,
goat's meat,
goat's meat,
fresh fish boiled,
fresh fish which is boiled, yeah.
beef.
That's beef, boiled one. Boiled, okay, okay.
This is chicken.
Chicken. Now let's go to the big pots here.
I have portion. Rice is here.
So rice, white rice,
Cassava, pumpkin.
cassava,
I have yam.
some yams inside. Yes, some
We
yams
keep
inside.
it. We keep it.
Cassava, yeah.
And
Then
matoke.
we also got matoke. What's
Yes.
there? What's there? That's not yours.
It's mine, but it's covered.
Okay. So guys, that's what she's serving today. So let's try this local Ugandan food. Are we gonna dig in? And
Matoke is really nice.
matoke is really nice. Let me try it. Yeah, it's nice. Delicious. And this is what is this?
That is
Matumbo in English. Obos, okay. Just guys can see it. Sweet potatoes.
Yeah, matumbo is really nice.
Yeah, the food is really nice.
changing who I am. I'm making.
So guys, I'm actually done with trying Ugandan local food. And this is the plate. It's the food I was eating, and I would say that this food is so delicious, so yummy, so organic, no seasonings. I like Ugandan food. So I've been trying some other dishes from different African countries, maybe Nigerian dishes, Ghanaian dishes, but I will say that Ugandan food is so special because it's so organic. No many seasonings like the one I found in Nigerian food. So local, so natural. Take a look. So my friend is still eating. How is it?
Because for us, we started late, but so far so good. I love
the food?
Love the food.
Okay.
Slightly seasoned.
Okay, slightly seasoned.
Yeah, and the meat is smoked.
The meat.
Matoke, different types of
The meat,
food.
guys.
What else do you want?
They should come and try it. That's Ugandan local water, locally made. And guys, that's where they prepare the meal. You can see that they're still in their pans, their cooking pans, and they cover them with banana. They cover them with banana leaves. You see them, and it's the big pot. This one contains some bananas, if not matoke. Yes.
Thank you for watching this video until this very end. Remember to like it. Drop a comment down there telling me how did you see these traditional dishes from Kampala. And also subscribe to join my family.